Every AI coding tool claims it can replace your workflow, but after using all these three platforms, the anti-gravity, Claude, and Cursor, one of them is genuinely changed how I built software while one felt overhyped. So let's look into it. The anti-gravity is the new kid trying to become a fully autonomous AI engineering environment. It's like instead of just helping you write the code, it tries to think like an engineer, like planning features, editing files, understanding repositories, and those things. Whereas the Claude code, it's like Anthropic's terminal first coding assistant powered by Claude. So it works directly inside your development environment and is insanely good at understanding large codebasses and debugs logics. The cursor here, it's probably the most popular AI native code editor right now because it's basically VS Code rebuilt around AI with inline edits, code generation, chats, debugging, and stuff. So let's look into the pros of all these three platforms here. So for anti-gravity, it's first autonomy. So the anti-gravity can handle surprisingly complex engineering workflows without constant prompting. And second, it understands context across files really well, which makes it feels very close to an AI agent. And you can clearly see where this is going towards fully autonomous software development. Whereas the Claude code absolutely dominates in reasoning because it also handles huge context windows better than almost anything else right now. And if you care about the code quality over speed, then this might be the best one. The cursor here wins on usability. It's smooth, fast, intuitive, and fits directly into existing workflows. It's also incredibly productive for shipping fast, especially for startups and freelancers. But on the downsides here, the cursor, the biggest weakness is the depth. Okay, it's fantastic for productivity, but when projects become extremely large or complex, it starts the guessing game a bit too much. So it can also create a dangerous illusion that generated code is correct when it actually needs a review. And Claude here on the downside, it's insanely powerful but slower. It's not always optimized for rapid fire iteration. And anti-gravity here on the downside is the biggest issue is the reliability. Some side it feels magical, other times it's completely loses the plot because it's pushing towards autonomy. Mistakes can become expensive fast. So I would suggest if you're a beginner, okay, cursor is easily wins for you. It's fast and makes AI coding feel accessible immediately. But if you're like a serious engineer, I would say Cloud Code is probably the smartest tool here. If code quality reasoning matters, this is best. But if you are like betting on the future, like anti-gravity is the most interesting one in that perspective. It's rough around the edges today, but it's aiming for smoother, future in the in the future in the coming days. So which one actually wins? Right now, Cursor wins productivity, Cloud wins in intelligence, and the anti-gravity wins in ambition.